Hello, I'm in a 2015 Jeep Cherokee, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle is actually on, and then as well your device is on with your Bluetooth on, which is that blue there. And if you press and hold, usually it'll open your pairing menu here. So you pair new device, and then from here we'll go to your media. And then up here, your Bluetooth. Do you want to connect? Yes. So now we're going to look for Uconnect from our phone. So eventually it should pop up. Sometimes it takes a few tries. Turning your phone on and off and all that. So it's got some random pin now. Does that match? Yes, it does match. So I'll hit pair on here and yes on here. And then in just a moment we should be all set. Should be able to sync up music, phone calls, your phone book, typically your maps and things like that as well. If you want it to be your favorite that auto pulls up, I mean, it's up to you. And then every vehicle has a max number of devices that can be connected. So you might have to go through and delete one of your phones first, so you can have space to add a new phone. But otherwise, I hope this is helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.